Christina. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another little segment of the series called the Too Faced Monthly Looks. I got this set for Christmas. It came with this little planner and palette holder case right here. And it says right here, Best Year Ever 2018. And then it came with this right here, the palette. And then it came with this planner right here that has a monthly look. Here's the look that we did last month for May. And it also came with a lipstick and a mascara. And I always try to just use Too Faced products when I do these. So these Too Faced monthly looks are only Too Faced products. I don't always do the same lipstick. Sometimes I use a different Too Faced lipstick that I have. Or I use a different mascara, but I always let you guys know what I use to finish up the look. So I haven't even looked, so let's go ahead and jump in and do the Too Faced June look. So let's see what that one looks like, okay? So we're gonna flip on over. I never sneak peek or anything, so it's always a surprise. I'm really excited. Okay, this one says June, Forget Love, Fall in Chocolate. That's so cute, I like that. This one's called Hot Chocolate. H-A-U-T-E instead of H-O-T. That's so funny. Okay, so we're going to create the look that this right here has. I'm going to do the little speed through thing, but I will provide for you guys below with the words step by step what it says. So if it says number 1, whatever, that's what I put for you guys down below. That's exactly what it says here in this planner. So you guys can recreate this look if you have just the palette, if you're able to. Sometimes on different websites you can buy different things. Maybe somebody will be selling the palette and not the planner, so or whatever. Or you can have similar colors that you could come up with. If you see that I'm putting on a brown color, you could try doing the look with a brown color. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump in and try out this look and see what it looks like. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. You guys have to let me know what you think. I will post pictures after this clip right here of the look. I'll also take some pictures with this right here. You guys will have to let me know what you think. It reminds me a lot of the look from last month. Last month's kind of looked like that to me. Let me pull it back up here. I know it looks different in the picture, but it was kind of pretty similar. Do you see what I'm saying? So I tried to change the lipstick a little bit because last month for the May look I did the sellout lipstick, the matte sellout lipstick. So I did add the lipstick in Double Bubble to try to change the color up a little bit. So hopefully that'll make it look a little bit different as well. But I do see the difference in the look. I think it's really pretty. It's really kind of a neutral type of look. I'm not really that good with contouring, so I do try, but don't judge me if you guys know that I'm doing it wrong, you know. So, yeah, definitely let me know what you think of this hot chocolate look, and let me know if you guys are excited to see July's look. I'm really excited. I haven't seen what it looks like. I didn't use the mascara that came with the set. It was the regular Better Than Sex mascara, but I used the waterproof one because that one's my favorite. As you guys can see, probably like the difference. I love this mascara. I really, really like it. And then I used, like I said, the Sellout and the Double Bubble for my lips. And then my foundation, I don't have a Too Faced foundation, but I always use the It Cosmetics one, the one that has SPF in it, and I use the color Fair. I probably should have got the color Light, but that's okay. I just always use Fair. Yeah, so definitely let me know what you guys thought of this look. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, if you like this series. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and then comment down below. Let me know if you have this palette, if you like this look, or just say hi, anything you guys want to say. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I'll see you later. Bye.